And the city of Nashville is holding a virtual ceremony right now to remember the victims of the deadly tornadoes. Josh Breslow is at the WKRN.com alert desk with those details.
Yeah, Nikki, so it's a way to remember those who lost their lives. 25 people were killed in Middle Tennessee during that outbreak of tornadoes late March 2nd into early March 3rd. Two of those deaths were in East Nashville, and Mayor Cooper led a moment of silence a short time ago to remember those victims.
150 people in Davidson County were transported to the hospital with injuries. And we lost two. You can't ever say only two, but it was a blessing from God that there were only two. All of us that saw the devastation on that day, Aubrey Sexton and Michael Dolfini, and we want to remember Aubrey and Michael today, and our thoughts are with their family and friends.
So in all, 25 people died there in Middle Tennessee during that outbreak of tornadoes. We do have a memorial to all of those victims with their pictures and information about them at the top of our website, WKRN.com. Nikki?